Etsy, here is a simple hack, especially if you're about to link Printful to Etsy and you have to have an Etsy listing already. This is also a hack that will help you if you need to just make your first sale. It's an easy thing to convince somebody to spend $1 to help you out, or you can just give them $1 and tell them to buy this, and then they'll have a nice little digital product. So you open up your Etsy shop, and then we're going to go up to the right-hand corner and click Add a Listing. All you have to have for this is a photo saved on your hard drive. So new listing, add photo, and we're gonna pick our photo. So desktop, let's go to here. Just pick a photo, any photo, doesn't matter. I just picked a pretty one of a waterfall, upload it, and then come on, there we go. Got a thumbnail of it. Make sure it's something licensed. This is a photo that I took, so you don't want to post anything that is copyrighted. Click a title. So this is Snoqualmie Falls digital print instant download. If you want to learn about titling something for search engine optimization, I recommend Lifehacker Couple. Their channel is amazing. You want to only fill out the required things here. Who made it? I did. What is it? It's a finished product. When did you make it? Made to order. Category, digital prints. Yeah, there we go. We made some suggestions. Primary color. I don't need to fill out any of this stuff. Just don't feel like it. Description. Okay, so first of all, type. You have to click digital. Renewal options, automatic, manual, whatever. Digital. This is an instant download of a photo of Snoqualmie Falls. File will be available instantly after purchase. No commercial use. Spelling, please. Wow. I'm good at typing today. Commercial use, please. And thank you. You're going to want to list, you know, if you want to keep this listing up after you make your first sale, you're going to want to make better descriptions, better tags. Production partners don't apply. Section, outdoors, I guess. Tags, Snoqualmie Falls, digital print, digital photo, instant download, private use photo, nature photo. Sorry if you hear noises in the background. It's my dog being psychotic. Prices, $1. Quantity, I'm going to set it at 50. Why not? Personalization, no digital files. Here's where you upload your file. Here's the JPEG. Hello, my dog. That's what that crashing was. So we're uploading. There we go. The image has uploaded. Marketing. No, we're not going to do that. And then you can hit publish. 20-cent fee. Agree to that. Boom. So then what you do is view your listing. And we are going to, there it is. So people can just add it to cart. So then you just copy the link to this, send it to your pals and say, hey, spend $1, help me get my first sale, leave a review. Because if they download a physical project, you're going to have to wait for them to get it shipped and all that before you get a review. However, if they download it instantly, they'll be able to review it instantly. So you'll be able to get this little star thing going on and yeah, party. It'll list your things higher in the results and it will be awesome for you. So